coding day 47. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because we are halfway, well, I am halfway there to my 100 days of coding. It is day 47, almost 50, and that will be in like 3 days, but definitely if you follow me on Twitter, I'm definitely gonna be celebrating and posting on there, and also my Instagram, follow me there as well. But I am so excited. I am halfway there to my 100 days of code channel. If you have followed me so far on this journey, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I've gotten so many encouraging words, so many encouraging tweets, and just DMs and stuff of people sharing their journey as well with me, and just to see stuff like that is very exciting and is very encouraging. I want to talk about something which I just started doing, and I'm like, why didn't I start doing this way ahead of time, like in the beginning of my journey? And that is to attend online workshops and online meetups, which I find on Eventbrite or meetup.com. There are a lot of great resources, free resources on there, where there are webinars and you can actually like learn HTML and CSS, and which are focused on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, whatever you're learning right now, you're programming right now. There are many different webinars and workshops that you can join, and I have been doing that a lot this week. I attended about just two, let me not stretch it. I attended 2 different workshops. One was from the company Thinkful, the other one was from another one, Codesmith, which are very informative and a different way of learning. And I'm always stressing that variety, when you're learning, it's important to incorporate variety, diversity within your learning pattern. So one thing that I really advise you guys to do, especially now, is a perfect time. There's so many meetups on Eventbrite and meetup.com. And also, it's also a great way to network with people. On one of the meetups, we had everyone who attended, we all exchanged our LinkedIn information and we connected with each other on LinkedIn. So I feel like it's also a great place to connect with people and just networking, period. You know, they add you on their LinkedIn, and that opens up a whole set of resources because people keep posting or resharing things and opportunities out there, and just broadening up your network where you can find something that is geared towards what you're looking for. And quite frankly, that is one of the ways that I found my internship, which is just by adding people within the same field as I am. It doesn't matter if I knew them or not. You know, I exchanged my LinkedIn with a few people on Twitter or wherever I met them, and just through a simple post, I was able to find this internship. So now the exciting part. This week, I did share that I am excited to tell you guys about my project. As I've said before, I'm following the Odin project, and this week I worked on lists and forms. And there was a project towards the end where you incorporate forms and also lists into making just a simple registration form. The challenge was to try to recreate the intuit.com website, the form website. Now, I'm very familiar with that website because I use it very often. This is how I budget my money, and it was just exciting to be able to do that. At the top of the website, where the sign in and also the account information was, the top right of the website, I decided to use lists, and I went in and used the form format, so structure, to create the form. This project only reminded me how it was important that, you know, the tutorials are just not enough, or just reading, which is a lot of reading. In this process, there's a whole lot of reading happening, but just the reading is just not enough. I keep comparing both websites to each other, and then I'm like, yes, you did that, girl. Yes, you did that. I am showing off right now because I know it might be to many simple, but for me, I worked very hard on it and I am very happy with the results and how it came out. If you looked at my other video, I'm really trying to work on the neatness of my code, and I feel like I did a whole lot better. I've included comments, I've included defined sections, and my coding has more of a semantic value to it. There's meaning behind it. And I also find by just doing that, it was very easy to go back in the next day and pick up up from where I left off. Because one thing that I noticed before when I did not do that, it was hard to pick up from where I left off. It was like, wait, what? Why did I put this label here? Why is this style over here? What is going on over here? Like, who made this? But even so, I was working on this bottom part, which is the footer part, and it's a challenge to actually figure out right now how to center it to look like the one on the website. So this is what I'm going to be working on today, and I'm pretty sure that I will get it. I will update you guys in the next video as to what I did, but I'm pretty sure it's something in there that I have to debug that is not allowing me to actually center that footer at the bottom. But if you follow me on my Twitter, you're gonna see that I'm really trying to decrease the amount of coffee that I'm drinking and increase my water intake. Coffee has been life since like ever. Thank you once again for tuning in to my coding journey update. If you have any questions or you have any suggestions, any feedback as to how to fix this little gnat that I have with this past project, don't be shy to reach out to me, leave a comment, connect with me on my social medias, and I will be very happy to connect with you. But yes, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, love, and happiness. Bye.